Yes, the only type, the best type that you can offer is creatine malate. Malate is much better. Because the water intention is less, very less. Yes. Yeah.
I think for us there should be a rest time, like they are using it for 1 month and rest 2 weeks.
It depends. It depends. But generally, I can tell you, for creatine staff, they can easily relax. Use it for 2 months.
2 months.
Yes. 2 months. 8 weeks until 2 months. Easily. After that, they can take a rest for 1 month. Again, start.
2 months.
Yeah, but if they use it, creatine monohydrates, after 2 months, better to take a rest again for more 2 months. It's better because of kidney. Generally, I recommend don't offer creatine monohydrate to anybody. Micronized is much better. In Europe, I didn't see creatine monohydrate anymore. It's only produced for Middle East countries. Yeah. Yeah. What is pre-workout? What is pre-workout? What means a pre-workout?
It's like preparing your body to do the workout. You need to take some supplements which can improve your alertness, your
Performance.
metabolism.
Exactly. Pre-workout. What is the purpose of using pre-workout?
Yes.
ATP production.
Energy, ATP production. Whatever, just increase your metabolism. Producing ATP. Motivate you to do workout, it's called pre-workout. Generally, or basically, we have 2 types of pre-workout. One type is including more stimulants. For example, caffeine, green tea, green coffee, saw palmetto, whatever, stimulant. The other type is including more creatine stuff. Okay? But the first category is good when you are professional, more professional. For beginner, it's not good if you offer them pre-workout that is including more caffeine, more stimulant, because of mental focus. They cannot focus on their workout, so they feel more energy, but their muscle, their body is not ready. So, but they do it because the brain just cannot control it. So it's damaged them. It's better? Yes, I have experience. I have one member, so it just, only 6 months just started. He used one pre-workout, but very strong, and explode, that, from BSN. It's including about, I think, 400 milligram caffeine. It's too much for beginner. And he did workout. Normally, he did, for example, 80 kg, 85 kg, but at that time, he thought that he can do it 120. So after that, he had a problem on his tendon, on knee, and he went to surgery. It's very important, just concentrate for the people that they are beginner, I mean less than 1 year, you should offer them pre-workout, more creatine stuff. If you see Cytec products, for example, they have Big Bang, they have caffeine, they have, what is citrulline malate? Citrulline malate. You know what it is? Citrulline malate. It's one of the best energizer boosters. Citrulline malate. If you see the all type of pre-workout, you can see this ingredient, but with different dosage. But Cytec, they have separate citrulline malate. It's very good energizer booster for athletes, for cyclists, for rowing, for swimming, for wrestling. It's perfect. And there's hot blood. Hot blood is very popular energizer booster for bodybuilders and fitness athletes. There is a different type. They have in tablet, they have in powder, for example. This is liquid charge. This is really the name you can understand. It's charge. It's, yes, it's including 1,000 milligram caffeine. Yeah, if you use it one portion, I use it by myself. It's my favorite product. In the morning, immediately after you wake up, you can go to treadmill or bike. 1 hour, you can do it without any problem. You will not understand that 1 hour is passing. It's perfect. Okay? But not for beginners. Again, this is liquid guarana. You know what's guarana? What's guarana? A stimulant. It's a vegetable. It's a stimulant, and also it's very strong, and also it's fat burning. It's you know, some pre-workouts, also it's good to know that some pre-workouts, they are good also for fat burning, because a stimulant automatically increases the metabolism. When you increase your metabolism, fat burning will be supported. Okay? But, for example, caffeine, it will not be supported fat burning. It's more anti-appetite. For example, when you drink coffee, you feel that your appetite is coming down. Yes? And it's more flash water. When you use caffeine, it's more anti-appetite, more flash water. When you flash your water, for sure the level of fat will be decreased. It means indirect it supports fat burning, caffeine. But guarana, direct, supports fat burning. It's isotic, also it is very good pre-workout. You go down. It's super guarana. In capsule form, it was in liquid. It's super guarana. I recommend it for general people, for beginners, especially ladies or old people. It's very good. It's very helpful. Natural. This is bar machine. Also, it's professional. It's for hardcore. This is Vitargo. You see, Vitargo is carbohydrate, but they put it in pre-workout category. It means that it should be used immediately before workout. This is Turbo Bend, Turbo Liquid. It's very good for the stimulant, for pre-workout. At the same time, good for fat burning. When you are on a strict diet, it's good to use it.
When you say pre-workout, that means how many minutes before the workout?
How long you mean? How many minutes? Okay, when we are talking about pre-workout, it depends. If you are talking about a stimulant normally, for example, caffeine, working in 10 minutes, 15 minutes maximum. Guarana is working about 20 minutes. It means that between 10 and 20 minutes before workout, you can use it for a stimulant. But if it's consisting of creatine stuff, you can use it even half an hour before workout. Even more. If you go down, there is one more product. It's a Slap. A Slap is a pre-workout for fighters, for athletes that are doing, for example, MMA athletes or any fighters. It's very good. At the same time, you know what is the difference between fighters and, for example, bodybuilders? The metabolism is completely different. The Slap is good. Any question for pre-workout? The one important point for pre-workout that actually you should know is that if you see the ingredients and formulation of pre-workout, also you see some arginine stuff. For example, which type of arginine we have? We have L-arginine, we have AAKG, arginine alpha-ketoglutarate. And if you see that in pre-workout there is arginine, it's very important. It means that it's including arginine. It means that it can be used much more for strength sport, for power sports. Okay? More power. But if it's including AAKG, arginine alpha-ketoglutarate, it can be used for strength, but with endurance. The same as, for example, wrestling. At the same time, you need power, you need endurance. Okay? This is the point also for, if you have AKG, more endurance. If you have arginine, more power. Other? Creatine? Sorry? Creatine. This is your product, yes. Category? Yeah.
Sorry, for one who takes stimulant as a pre-workout, no other precautions, يعني tell him not to take any other coffee, no any other caffeine,
No need.
no need to do
No, this is a very important question that you did it. A stimulant, it's not good to use it continuously because your body will be completely familiar, and when you stop it, you feel that you are tired. It's better to use it, stop it in a cycle. If you use one type of pre-workout, you should not use any other type of stimulants. People, they use it, but it's completely destroyed your mental focus. I mean, the effect of using stimulants with pre-workout at the same time, it's effect of negative. It's not positive effect because mental focus decrease, and because when you want to build your muscle, you should focus on your muscle. That's the point. No need. Only one type of pre-workout. Okay, this is the different type of creatine. The first type is creatine monohydrate. This is alkali X. Alkali X, I told you, it's not 100% proven, but there is attack. It's including 5 types of creatine, mixed up creatine, very good product, perfect. Crevone, also it's very good, it's including 6 types of creatine at the same time. Could you please put down? So all of them, they are flavored, except creatine monohydrate. The taste is very good, and it's good soluble. This creatine is creatine monohydrate and micronized mixed in capsule form. This is creatine pyruvate. You know what is creatine pyruvate? Creatine pyruvate is a combination of creatine ethyl ester and creatine malate. It's the monomer form of molecule is completely changed, and it's very good for athletes completely near to the competition. When they want to increase their performance, the performance is near to maximum. It's difficult to increase the performance. It's very good to use it, but it's for professional athletes. This is King Protein. Also, this is for professional athletes. The name you can understand. Different type of creatine with high dosage, including. This is mega creatine. Also, it's high dosage of both creatine monohydrate and micronized. This is Microntech creatine. It's micronized creatine. This is protected creatine concentrate. I recommend this. It's very good stuff. This is called EPIC. It is in effervescent form. You know what is effervescent? It is in effervescent form, and it means that absorption is much better for creatine. The taste is very good, and also it's good for beginners. This is Chantix. This type of creatine is called advanced creatine system. It's supporting your system it means that it motivates also your metabolism to produce ATP by himself, and also it's including different type of creatine, and also it's including different type of carbohydrate. It's very good for people that they want to gain a fat. This product is very good, especially for ladies, teeny lady that they want to gain more weight. This product is very, very, very good. This is ultra pure creatine monohydrate. This is creatine monohydrate, but ultra pure, ultra filter. This is Vitargo CRX. Vitargo CRX is different with Vitargo because it's mixed with other type of creatine with Vitargo. It should be used not before workout. It's better to use it intra-workout because of producing ATP at the same time. And also this is straight combat. 11 component creatine offensive. Also it's very hardcore and good for professional bodybuilders. Any question? You are tired? We can continue?
Go on.
You need?
We need a vitamin now.
But Sham, what we have here for energy. We are talking about energy. We lost our energy. Okay. This is amino acid categories. For sure you know that we have different types of amino acids. That is very important for fitness athletes, bodybuilders, and all types of sport. This is A, K, arginine, alpha, beta, glucose. This is amino express, different type of amino acids. It's very, very good, very famous for like in Europe, one of the top sellers. This is amino 30 liquid. It is in liquid form, it is in powder, it is AKG in capsule. This is amino liquid 50, the dosage is bigger than this one. I recommend for beginners to use this amino acid in powder form. Powder form is much better than tablet and capsule for beginners. Also this is amino magic. This is arginine in liquid form. Also this product is very good, 5,000 milligrams per serving. This is BCAA 1000, branched chain amino acid, and the type of BCAA I think it is 211.
You see what I mean?
Yeah, but you know that there is different portion ratio. I mean that 211, 411, 811. What is the best one? 811. Because leucine is more important. If you see that it's 811, it's better for bodybuilders, for athletes if you want to gain more muscle. Yeah. This is BCAA 6400. It's very good for beginners, very good. Especially ladies. They need BCAA more than men. This is a rumor that the lady, because their metabolism is automatically more catabolic than men, they need more BCAA than other type of amino acids, because also the level of testosterone for ladies is low. The metabolism is automatically catabolic, is very low. This is BCAA express in powder form. BCAA is beef aminos, amino beef. Beef in the shape of amino and in tablets. It's this technology for amino. It's only belong to one or two companies in the world, because it's very difficult if you want to produce it, amino acids from the beef. It's egg amino, it's albumin, amino albumin. We have different type of protein in powder. I told you, whey protein, beef protein. The same we have in amino. Amino whey, beef, albumin, egg, beans. Then we are going down, we can see also casein. This is GDCAA. It means that it's mixed up glutamine and BCAA. What is the most critical amino acid for the body? Glutamine and arginine. Why? What is the difference between glutamine and arginine with others, with the rest? They are buffering amino acids. It means that if you use only glutamine and arginine, it can be converted to the rest of other types of amino acids. No need to use it. Only glutamine and arginine. They can convert it. Mostly glutamine. But not only L-glutamine, different type of glutamine. GBOM is including 5 types of glutamine. It's very good for it. GBCA is including glutamine plus branched chain amino acid. It's GH source. It means that it's GH releaser. Which amino acid has a rule to stimulant to release GH in the body? Which amino acid? Arginine and ornithine. arginine and ornithine, they have a rule to release GH, growth hormone, in the body. It's better to use it when your somatropin, GH, is releasing in the body. What time?
Morning. Full time.
Immediately after sleep, but sleep on time, not for example 2 a.m., 12 or 12:30 maximum, and early in the morning, 5 o'clock. During this time, the level of GH is high, and it's better to use the GH source immediately prior to bed. This is isolate amino, this is isolate whey protein, this is isolate amino. This is leucine, but yes, alone by itself. Because the people, they need it leucine more, they can use it this, it's very good product. With living, this is mega arginine, arginine in high dosage, but arginine in complex form. This is mega BCAA, again in high dosage. This is ornithine, I told you that it's also a stimulant and releaser of GH. This is peptide aminos. Also, this is amino acid from hydrolyzed form. I think this is the best amino acid maybe in the world, and it's very good for professional, even for beginner, for whatever that they need amino acid, because it's absorbed very, very fast in the body. Maybe less than 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. When you use it after workout, personally I use it. When I use it after workout, I feel that my body is full now. The fullness of muscle is very perfect. This is taurine. What is taurine? What is the rule of taurine? A stimulant. Yes, the same caffeine, but there is no side effect when you use taurine for your sleep. It's very good. You can use taurine itself as a pre-workout. This is tryptophan. What is the rule of tryptophan? Tryptophan is good for a sleep aid. Yeah, tryptophan is good for a sleep aid if you use tryptophan with melatonin, with GABA, with ZMA. Yeah, these 4 products, it's completely support your sleep. Because when you do workout, your sleep is completely will be disorganized, because when your metabolism all of supplements that you use it cause your metabolism is coming up. When your metabolism is coming up, you cannot sleep. It's very difficult, especially for the people that they are doing workouts late. They are going to bed, but they cannot sleep. They should use some supplements to support their sleep. And this is ultra amino. Ultra amino, from the name you cannot understand it. It's amino acid from casein. This is casein amino acid. Casein, yes. It means that ultra means long time absorption. It's casein. The only brands that I see that they have amino acid from casein, also it's very difficult to produce, only 5. Now, if you go down, glutamine is complete MBCA, weight control formula? No, weight control, okay. There is different type of fat burner and weight control. There is a mistake. People think that if they want to reduce their body, they should use fat burning. No. They should use weight control products. Weight control product is different from fat burning product. It's 2 categories. So, what it means of weight control formula? What is HCA? HCA. You don't. HCA is fat blocker. For example, you are fatty and you have more fat on your body. You should use HCA to stop producing fat on your body. This is different from fat burning. First, you should regulate the level of your fat. Then, you should go to fat burning, or at the same time go to fat burning. if you disconsider or ignore such a product on your supplementation, you do fat burning, but at the same time you produce fat on your body. It means that the level will be the same.
Stands for what?
Sorry, HCA fat blocker.
Fat blocker stands for what? This is abbreviation of what HCA.
HCA. HCA, for example, when you eat, for example, something food fatty, okay, it means that it's how the fat cells is produced on your body, then it cannot be go to mitochondria, and the cells, it's the level of the fat, its mitochondria is coming up, and it cannot be burned, it's coming out. It's coming out. So HCA automatically, it's the same as barrier. It's in front of fat cells, and it doesn't allow fat to go into the cells. It means that it's flashing. Okay? It can be controlled and completely regulate the level of your fat in your body. Doesn't allow to produce fat itself. Okay? But it's not fat burning. Some people, they think that it's fat burning, but if you go to some fat burning product, you can see HCA. It means that this fat burner is complete fat burner. There is green coffee complex. Your question?
Sir, I think this HCA you can find also through Garcinia.
Two?
Garcinia.
Yeah.
Yeah. Garcinia.
Exactly. Yes. Yes. There is.
I disagree with you.
Yeah.
This is the
Yeah. And green coffee complex, it is a stimulant, as you know that. Some stimulants, they can do fat burning. At the same time, this is HCA chitosan. What is the rule of what is chitosan? You know that?
fiber.
Is fiber?
Fiber.
And what is the rule of
It's also a fat blocker.
It's anti-appetite.
Anti-appetite.
It's anti-appetite. Yeah. More anti-appetite. What is the other type of anti-appetite? Inuli. It's also fiber. Inuli and chitosan is the. If you see anti-appetite products, you can see inuli and chitosan, both of them. It's PFX. It is perfect fat loss. It's one of the best fat burner in Cytec. It's including all type of. It's thermogenic fat burner. Please go down. It's Revex. It's a stimulant, thermogenic, complex, very strong fat burner. But you should know that fat burner for lady is different from the man. This is very important. Lady, they need more water because of their system during their workout or during their, basic life. But men, they need lower level of water. It means that when you want to recommend one lady appropriate fat burner, you should know that this fat burner is including the products just support flash water or not. If it's doing flash water as well, it's not good to recommend it. It's better to recommend for men, because if you see some ladies, when you use fat burners, they don't feel comfortable. They feel very nervous, all of metabolism of their body, their sleep, everything will be disorganized. It's because of too much water flashing from the body. For example, this product is not good for ladies. This is also not good for ladies, shredded, because it's including flash water ingredients. This is teeth, it's fat burner. This is thermoic effervescent form. This is top shape. This is also weight control formula. It's very good product. It's very unique product. It's including all of type of anti-appetite, thermogenic fat burning, and also it's good for ladies. But it's not for professional. It's for semi-professional or beginner. It means that the definition, the cut of your body is not. It will not be perfect, but it's good for beginner. For repair, also it's strong and very I mean, it's very good product for fat burning. Fire rate is hardcore, only for professionals, army life, and this is CLA, you know CLA, conducted in lake acid. I recommend CLA to use anybody. CLA is very essential. L-carnitine, what is the most important amino acid in the body, but there is some mistake because we have different types of L-carnitine. What is A and C? It is acetyl L-carnitine. What is acetyl L-carnitine? What is the difference between acetyl L-carnitine and L-carnitine?
The area of absorption.
No. Acetyl L-carnitine is completely different from L-carnitine. You know why? Acetyl L-carnitine is supporting your testosterone level. Okay? It's supporting your testosterone level. It means that when you want to enhance your sexual level, or if you want to increase the level of testosterone, it's very good if you use A and C by itself. Even it's good for ladies. More metabolism, and metabolism will be more anabolic. It's a very good product. It's testosterone booster. And this is, for example, Thani complex. It's more L-carnitine. L-carnitine is good for ATP and also at the same time fat burning. This is Thani X, more L-carnitine. This is the liquid form. Liquid form is better for more absorption, not fat absorption, more absorption. Again, liquid L-carnitine, but in different type of dosage. This is mega Thani X, 1000 milligram L-carnitine. And one of the important points that if you see L-carnitine, it's enhanced with chromium. It's perfect. L-carnitine plus chromium, it means that it's enhanced the metabolism, fat burning, at the same time regulate your insulin level. It's perfect. There is carnicanol, it's professional, for professional. That's it. Yeah. Vitamins. Yeah. Cytec, there is a very unique line for vitamins and minerals. You will see a lot of products that I think that you are more specialist than me for this type of product. I will not explain for you, but you can see totally. But it's very good if you study one by one, each of them. For example, what is health vitamin and what is the difference between health vitamin, Eurovitamins. For example, jumbo pack. Go down. Thank you. Liquid mega vitamin, mega daily 1 plus, monster pack, multi-pro plus. All of them, they are vitamins, but in different formulation, different combination. Vitamin D3, winter X. Easily you can understand what it is. B100, beta carotene. You have the same, I think, in your country. Yes. From which brand?
Many brands.
Okay. C500, calcium, magnesium, but you should consider that. Each type of vitamin that Cytec has, if you consider and you compare the ingredient and dosage, you see that it's high dosage from the regular product because it's for sports. Yes, for athletes that they needed more dosage of different portion, different combination. It's very good. For example, the regular you have zinc.
Yes.
The regular zinc that you have is
The highest is 50 milligrams.
50 milligrams. Cytec has 100 milligrams. I think it's high dosage.
Yeah,
It's
double,
good.
double,
Double, even double. And they recommend to use it 2 per day. Since 200 milligrams, that is, I think, more than enough. Easily you cannot be lost your head. And they have chromium piconate, told you. Daily vitamin, you go down. A strike back, and also zinc, but not this zinc. They have 2 types of zinc. It's old one, but new one they have. This is I think 25 milligrams. But they have the other type that is not in, I think, the English side, the Hungarian side. If you go down, glucosamine. Oh, also this line, glucosamine, yeah. This line? No board? Glucosamine, yes. Okay. For glucosamine and contrasting products, also you have products, yeah?
Yeah.
The same you have. This product, just I recommend you to offer. I have a problem in my left shoulder. I went to doctor and did MRI, and in the MRI they see that I have a soffit. You know what is soffit? Okay? And I feel a pain really. I couldn't do workout. And I was really upset, but from Arthroxan I stopped. You see it from the name, Arthroxan. After 2 weeks, I didn't feel anything. It's anti-inflammation, really, it works.
Just glucosamine or has any other products?
They have glucosamine, chondroitin, MSM.
What's the concentration of this one?
Sorry? Yeah, I recommend you to concentrate for this product because we have a very good feedback for this product, especially for ladies. All ladies they have a problem on their knee, maybe on the back, or old people, and they feel pain. For sure, they will be happy. This product is perfect.
This is also designed for the
Ordinary general people.
general.
They can use it. Whatever. For example, my mother, she has a problem on her knee. I tell her to use it.
This one.
Yeah, with consultation of doctor. Then doctor see that this ingredient, he said that's perfect. She used and she, completely happy. Perfect. Arthroxan, don't forget.
حتى معاه كولاجين عيالي غير الجلوكوزامين والكوندومين موجود في
This is collagen in liquid form. I think collagen also is popular here.
Yes.
It is in, you have in liquid?
Yes.
Also you have.
That's not like.
Yeah. This is joint X. Also it's combination of glucosamine and chondroitin. This is joint X glucosamine in liquid. I think that you don't have it.
What?
In liquid form. Glucosamine and chondroitin in liquid form. It's you know that
What? It was. Yeah.
which brand?
Now.
Ah. But the advantage is that if you use it in liquid, some people they have a problem on their stomach, they have a problem to digest this cat food or tablets, it's good to use it. This is Mega MSN. What is the rule of MSN? Anti-inflammatory and
Analgesic. Painkiller.
and for the athletes, what is the purpose? It's anti-acidification as well. Because anti-acidification, when athletes,
Acidification.
yes, acidification, when athletes, they use protein, because the athletes use high dosage of protein. It's coming, yes, acidification on the joints. And it affected on the joints. MSN is
I
anti-acidification.
mean, it will counteract the uric acid.
Exactly. So, this is heavy duty, also it's good for professional athletes, and from the name you can see, really it's heavy duty. If you use it, whatever you want, you can do it. It's very good. Also, this product, nail force, also it's professional. I think it's also even it's better than Arthroxan, nail force.
Can I ask a question, please? Is there any specific product do you have it for the tendons? Tendons injuries, like, as you said, some people used to lift 80 kgs one time they use the energizers and stuff like that.
Could you please
They-
come back to glucosamine?
They start to do exercise of 100 or 120 or something specific, especially for some specific muscles. So this muscle cannot endure this weight. So the effect will be out of the muscle to the tendon itself. So either there will be extension of the tendon, or in some people there will be a cut, like
They need surgery.
yeah, they need a surgery or something. Do we have any specific product that can work in injured tendon, not a surgery or
Okay.
interference?
If you are talking about the athletes that they did surgery. After surgery, they need a product, if you mean, okay, that one, you mean?
This
Or
one
before surgery.
Before surgery, if they are not in the level to
Of the surgery,
send them
of
for
going to surgery.
Yes,
My personal experience,
yes, because you have experience.
yes, my personal experience is these two products, Arthrosa and Moving Down,
Alpha
and
name for.
NEM4. They can use it in a cycle of 3 weeks or 1 month at the same time. You know, we have professional athletes, before competition, for example, 2 weeks, they had injuries. They have, you can see that. It contributes to normal connective tissue,
Yeah.
cartilage, and bones. But it really works. It's healing. It's treated. These two products, I think that it can be perfect.
I have it.
Yeah. You can check it for yourself.
Yeah.
If you use it. Okay. I think finished. A special protein. Okay, Cytec also they have a special product. You know what is alpha lipoic acid? For sure. What is alpha lipoic acid? What is the role?
It's good for diabetic people.
For diabetes?
Yeah. It's very good. I like this.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's very good for diabetic people. It's supporting insulin producing in the body. Not regulating the same as chromium. It's producing, not direct, indirect. It's very good, not only for diabetic people. For example, myself, I use it every day for a cycle, for example, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, then 1 week rest, again I start it. You know that because insulin is very important. Whatever, any reason that you feel stressed, you are nervous, your insulin level is affected. So because of that, the other type of hormone is not working well. It's good to use one product, just support your insulin level. Alpha lipoic acid is very important. There is anticortisol. This product is de-stress. It's very good as an anticortisol. Also, it's very important for general people that they have a lot of things to think. For example, beta-alanine. You know what is the beta-alanine? Beta-alanine is good for people that they want to do endurance as a sport. It's supporting to be not fatigued in a short term. For general people, also it's good. If you use beta-alanine, for example, if you use it, you don't need any pre-workout, any stimulants, and you feel on your skin, something like exactly. This is strong. You have a market for people that they are searching for regulating testosterone level or hormone optimization, right? You have coffee. This is the product, E-Strong. It's very good. It's strong. And it's good. It's working as anti-estrogen, and it completely support your testosterone level. It's grapeseed. You know what's grapeseed? It's antioxidant. Yeah. This is HMB. You know HMB? HMB is very good. It's a combination of some kind of amino acid. It's very good for athletes or people that they are in very, very strict diet. Some people that they are very fatty and they stop any food or they are very strict, so they are in a risk to lose their muscle, for sure. It's very good that they use it, HMB, for sure, they will not lose their muscle if they are on a strict diet. This is lean mass. Lean mass, it supported your muscle for the people that they are doing deep surgery. As you told, any surgery, after surgery you need more recovery to gain your muscle as soon as possible. That product is very good. Lean mass. It's supporting your muscle to gain lean muscle as soon as possible. This is Mega HLB. This is night recovery. It's from the name you can understand that it should be used in the night time. This is protein addition, but I think this product is started. This is water cut. Water cut. What is water cut? Water cut is supporting to regulate the level of water on your body. Some metabolists they have more water intention and yes, exactly. It's very good product. Water cut, unique and very good, and it works. Bromelain, it's natural enzyme. It's supporting your digesting system as well. It's very good for athletes or for the people that they have a problem on digesting system. It's coenzyme Q10, for sure you know that, coenzyme Q10 but with high dosage. It's flax, also this is, you have ginkgo biloba here, you know for sure what is it. For athletes it's very important. Lactase enzyme, I told you that for the people that they are sensitive, this is lecithin. You have lecithin? Okay. Before you had it. You have market for lecithin? They are testing?
Not that much nowadays.
This product is very popular in Europe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very convenient.
Exactly. This is liver support. I think it's very important product for your market. Liver support. It's containing 250 milligram milk system. High dosage. It's very good. And also it's very important for athletes. 250 milligram. This is mega ginseng, Korean ginseng in high dosage, omega 3, selenium. You know what is selenium? What is the rule of selenium? The main rule. Anti-immune system. It's supports immune system. Immune system. When you do hard workout and you are on a diet, for sure your immune system is down. You need a product to support your immune system. This is sharp cartilage. You know what it is? Perfect. And this line that you see that in green color, it's for athletes that they are doing CrossFit. You know what is CrossFit now? It's very popular in Europe and in US. Mostly, this is balance recovery after. It's for post-workout. This is muscle factor. This is ultra concentrated omega 3. Because the people that they are doing CrossFit, they need more antioxidants. This product is very important for them. This is unbroken pack. Could you please come back? Also, this product also is good for recovery of your joint, everything. Also, it's good. Okay, you can back. It was a summary of side effects. Yeah, it's just very short, very summary. If any question?
One question I have. In the market, some products are available for specifically cut with the name of cut. I just want to get from your side, from citing, what product they have if a customer or if someone is asking regarding they need only the cut for the cut.
For
like
the-
animal cut from different companies is available in the market. So for cutting of the body, shape of the body, for that, if someone is asking what products from Cytec we can
Maybe they have more than 20 products.
but by name cut I haven't known there.
Yes, there is.
All kind of products.
Okay, fat burning products, especially Revix and Shredix. Revix and Shredix, from the name you can understand.
Yeah.
Shredix is for more definition, high definition. Okay, 1 week before competition. Less than 5% fat, even if you use Shredix, you lose more fat. It's coming to 3.5, you know that below 3, it means that you will die. It's perfect. Shredix and Revix. But they have other products as well. It depends. Depending on metabolism. Which type of percentage of fat that you have. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.